Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your Tecno Spark 20 Pro. So first, let's unlock the phone. And we'll start off by turning off and turning on the Bluetooth. So go to Bluetooth. Now, if it's turned off, then turn it on. And instantly turn it off. Now wait a couple of seconds, it doesn't have to be like a minute or so. Now after like 4 or 5 seconds it should be okay, and see if it connects now. If not, then if you have any devices paired to you, then simply unpair them and repair again in the settings right here. So you will have them right here listed right above the available devices. And now here you will have them. You will need to unpair them, and here they will be in the available devices. So now if none of that worked, then restart your Bluetooth device and restart the phone. So I don't have a device right now, so I'll just restart the phone. I'll keep on holding power button. Let's click restart and tap to restart again. And I'll see you guys once the phone is ready to go. Now, after restarting the device, go over to settings, and I'll show you where to find the software updates. So scroll all the way down to system. Now make sure to check if you have any updates available. If you do, then that can fix a lot of connectivity bugs. So go to system update now, and here click online update. Let me go again. Now my system is up to date. You guys can also update it locally if you got the ROM. But that's it. I hope this video helped you fix the problem, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.